Hello everyone. The MRP Work Order Alert app helps user to get an actual manufacturing costing report, add grace time, highlight actual delay, alert end user to close and work order in time. User can add and supervisor to send an email regarding delay issues. If actual time greater than the expected time, pop-up will be raised to enter and delay reason, and if the difference is greater than or equal to 15, then we must to enter and fluctuation reason as well. Now let's get into the manufacturing order to create a new manufacturing order. So let me get into that. So from here in the operation we can see an option named manufacturing order. So let's create a new manufacturing order now. Now from here we can create a new manufacturing order by placing a product name right away here. Let's place a product. Okay. Now after selecting the product, we need to give an supervisor name right away here. That is, user can add the supervisor for specific manufacturing order to send an email regarding that delay issues. So from here we need to select an supervisor. Okay, and the user can see in total expected durations and as well as the total real durations right away here. So we haven't started this manufacturing process, so you can see it will be in the 0 minutes. Okay, and under here you can see in components as well as we can see the work orders right away here. So user can add the grace time in a specific work order. So the total expected duration is sum of the expected duration and the grace time. Okay, so now let's start this process by clicking on the confirm option which is available here. Okay, so now let's add the grace time, right? So the grace time will be in 10 minutes that I have added. Okay, now let's start the process. From here we can see the real duration is 90 but the actual duration that we given isn't 70. If the total expected durations and the total real duration difference is greater than or equal to 15, user must be enter and fluctuation reason for the manufacturing. Reason may be an machine issue. Okay, so after giving a reason, okay, user can click on the done option to complete the progress. So at that time user can get a warning message like enter delay reason. User can enter the delay reason for the specific work order. So for that we need to get into an delay reason which is available here. So it may be anything, we need to give a delay reasons right away here. Okay, so once this is done, user can click on the done option to complete the progress. So now user can see the status will be changes to finished state, and as well as you can see the real time will be calculated here. After that, with the help of this module, the supervisor will get a mail regarding an work order issue report. So for that, we have the schedule action. So let me get into that. To get into the schedule action, we need to get into the settings. Under technical, we can see an option named scheduled actions. Okay, so from here we can see an work order issue notifications. With the help of this schedule action, it will send an mail to the supervisor which containing an work order issue report. Okay, so now let's get into an email with attachment of the work order issue. So for getting into the emails, we need to get into the technical. Under that we can see an emails where we can see all the emails which are created. Okay, supervisor should be get into the email notification for the work order issue with the attachment of work order issue report. So let me get into one of the email. So this is the email content, and also in the attachment user can see an attachment is available. So let me get into that. So from here we can see an download option. Let me download the issue report which we have downloaded. Okay, so here you can see an work order issue report will be automatically sent to the supervisor, and also we can see the same in the report as well. Okay, so in this way we can make use of this module to get an actual manufacturing costing report, add and grace time, highlight actual delay, alert end user to close and work order in time. Thank you for watching.